Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, titingnan natin, may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo? Okay? This is timeless. Yeah, this is timeless. Sasabihin ko, this is timeless. So, yeah, may chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo? Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, opo, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so yes, don't forget to follow. Okay? And syempre, sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi po, no, ang aming pwedeng i-refer. Okay? So, physical, spiritual, sanib, mga kulam, yan. Pwede po yan ilapit kay Kuya Dingsi. Okay? Pero yung pagpapabalik ng inyong mga person, mga asa-asawa ninyo, ay hindi po. Okay? Hindi po nyo yun gagawin. Okay? So, yun lang po ha. And yes, tulad sa kay Perception, don't forget to follow. Okay, and syempre, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, yes, this is our all-in-one evil eye bracelet, available in red and black strings. Okay, so this is with initial po ha ng owner. Okay, ng magiging may-ari. Kung sino yung magiging may-ari, yun yung ibibigay na initial. So, kung gusto nyong ibigay or kung gusto ninyong ipangregalo, yung name po ha ng pagbibigyan ang inyong ibibigay. Okay? So, this is unisex. Okay po? Pang babae, pang lalaki, kahit ano pa ang gender mo, pwede to sa'yo. This is for protection po ha sa mga nagtatanong. Protection. Okay? So, 5 yung kulay dyan. May kanya-kanya ring pong role yan, okay, sa pagpoprotekta sa inyo. Okay, so ito ang ating evil eye ring. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yes, oo, ito po ay adjustable. So, no need na magbigay ng size ng inyong mga delivery. Okay? So, yes, diba? Next, ang ating second na design ng ating, baliktad, ng ating evil eye bracelet. So, this, itong isa namang ito is, tawag dyan, garterized. Okay? So, garterized siya. Ito is adjustable. Ito yung may initial, ito po yung wala. Okay? So, wala tang initial. So, ito po, tawag dyan, kahit ano, kung ano pa, yeah, ang gender mo, pwede sa'yo to, ha, yeah, unisex to, and ito rin, pareho lang din, okay, unisex, kung anong meron dito, meron dito, meron dito, okay, so, ito naman ang ating evil eye necklace, so, yan siya. Oo, maganda yan. Oo. Hindi lang talaga nabibigyang hustisya sa ating camera. Okay, so ganyan po siya ha. So meron itong extender ito. Okay? So kung gusto niyo pahabain or paiksian yung chain, pwede yan. Okay? So non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yun nga. Okay, meron siyang extender. So, yung mga nagtatanong, pwede po bang gamitin yung aking ginagamit na chain? Ililipat ko lang po doon. Yes. Okay? Pwede nyong gawin yon. Okay? Important lang dyan is itong yung ating pendant. Okay? So, yan ang pinaka-important dyan. Okay. Pagdating naman sa ating granter, yan. Meron na naman akong nakuha na new feedback. Oo, sabi niya, kuha lang daw niya, no? Kakakuha lang niya ng kanyang grantor, dumating na yung inaasahan niyang visa. Oo, like, I don't know. Kung matagal na ba yon? I don't know. Yung isa naman, sabi niya, wala pa man po yung grantor. Yan, meron na po akong natanggap na magandang balita. Diba? For me, it's a magandang balita rin. Okay? So, yeah, sa mga gustong tawag dyan, magpagawa Okay, ng The Granter Necklace. So, message lang po kayo ha sa amin pong FB page kung ito, yan. Message lang kayo, ha? So, ganun lang. And, yeah. Let's start the reading. Okay. So, all signs. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo? Okay. So, Aries. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo? Whoops! Okay, so kunin ko to. Dalawa. The Moon in Reverse and the Hierophant. May chance ba na mag-reach out? Some of you, yung may mga commitment sa inyo, no? Mga inutangan kayo or kung ano man, like commitments. Okay? This is a yes for me. Okay? So, pwedeng pinag-intay kayo ng matagal eh. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. See? Utang. O, diba? 10 of Pentacles. Yeah. May chance na may magbabayad na sa inyo. May magre-repete. Ganyan. Okay? So, kung inyo namang ito ay person. Yan. Kung person nyo naman to, I think, ang nakuha ko rito is yes. Pero, hindi ko nakukuha na magkakaroon ng parang long term or sabihin nating continuous, no, na pakikipag-message. Pero yes, the answer is yes. Kasi ang tanong lang naman natin is kung magre-reach out. Okay? So, there. Next is Taurus. So, Taurus, may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo? Okay. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo? Again, the Hierophant. Okay, what's with the Hierophant? Oh, the Eight of Wands in reverse. This is a delay. Okay, the Four of Coins. So, I think this is like, meron pa silang pinaghahandaan. Okay? Siguro, iniisip pa nila kung anong mga kailangan lang sabihin, ganyan, gato. Okay? Why the Eight of Wands in reverse? Check natin. Bakit? Yung iba sa inyo may blocked. Okay, yeah, the Six of Coins. It's a no. Yeah. May unfinished business pa rin kayo ng tao na iniisip mo, lalo na kung romantic connection ito, no? Yung iba sa inyo, kung may mga something like, may mga responsibility kung bakit kailangan niyang mag-reach out sa'yo, nakita ko rin na hindi. Okay? Lalo na kung may mga finances like perang involved. Okay? Next. Gemini. Gemini, may chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo? Pasensya na po sa boses ko, ha? Okay, so Gemini, may chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo sa'yo? The King of Wands. Ooh. The Eight of Wands. This is a yes. Okay, that's a yes. Some of you, kung meron kayong separation, yeah, this is reaching out. Energy of reaching out, energy of communication. Okay? Pero andun pa rin yung coldness. Like, nasa kanya yung control. Yes. Okay, next. Cancer. Okay, so Cancer, may chance bang mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo? Cancer? Meron ba? May chance ba? Oh, the Nine of Swords. This person is always thinking of you. Okay, what's with the Nine of Swords? The Seven of Cups. Gustong gusto ka pa rin nito, lalo na kung past person mo to. Okay? They're just too busy. Ayaw eto some of them may ego and pride. Okay? Nagpapaka-busy lang to. Pero sa totoo lang, gusto nito mag-reach out. Ayaw nila na makikitaan sila ng weakness. Okay? So, mas pipiliin lang maging busy pagdating sa ibang bagay kaysa sa'yo. Pero yeah, they're totally thinking of you a lot. Some of them hindi na makatulog. Some of them talagang may pag-iyak pa. Yes, kasi sobrang maybe iniisip ka ng malala. Okay, don't know. Yeah, so yun ang akin nakikita. Next. Leo. Leo. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo? Leo. Okay. The Tower. Pwedeng Scorpio. What's with the Tower? Some of you have this separation, no? Oh, the Chariot in reversed. I think, yeah. I think, oo. Hindi nila kaya yung bigat ng sitwasyon, lalo na kung walang walang contact, no? Yeah. Some of them talagang magbabalik. Okay? Magbabalik. Kakausapin ka, ganto, ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, yun lamang. Yeah, I think. Next, Virgo. Virgo, may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo? Virgo, may chance ba? The Page of Cups, that's a yes. This is communication, the Page of Cups. So, may chance na magsabi ng sorry or magsabi ng kanilang emosyon towards you. Okay, the Two of Swords. Pero takot ito na ma-reject. Okay, may takot siya na ma-reject. So, may chance na parang makikipag or mag-reach out ito sa hindi directly, no? Hindi direct na magme-message like hi. Okay, something like maybe pwedeng kunin ito yung attention mo. Okay, kapag nakuha niya yung attention mo, yun na yung parang magiging gateway. Okay? Para magkaroon ng conversation. So, ganon. Hindi ito magre-reach out ng talagang direct reach out. No, direct message. Hindi. Okay? So, syempre, andun din yung parang poprotektahan niya yung sarili niya sa mga pwede mong sabihin sa kanya rin. Okay? So, there. Hang on. Okay. So, next is Libra. Okay, Libra. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo? May chance bang mag-reach out siya sa'yo, Libra? The Seven of Cups. They're busy, some of them. Okay, some of them open yung kanilang option sa ngayon. Anyway, tingnan natin. Yeah, the Page of Cups in reverse. They're not available. Okay, yeah. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng nakikipag-date kung kani-kanino, may mga connect na, yung iba sa ngayon. Okay, yeah. The Eight of Coins in reverse, wala kang aasahan dito, Libra. Okay, yung iba talaga sa kanila is pwedeng meron ng iba. Meron ng kakonect. And they're not available na para mag-reach out sa'yo. I'm sorry. Okay, next. Scorpio. Scorpio, may chance ba na mag-reach out itong person mo sa'yo, Scorpio? Scorpio, will they reach out? The King of Swords in reversed. That's a no. Yeah, for me, that's a negative. That's a red flag. For me, what's with the King of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Six of Swords. This is a tactics. Okay. Taktika. Magiging cold or sabihin natin hindi talaga mag-reach out, like no contact. Totally, 100%, no contact. Para ikaw yung humabol. Pag-iisipin ka nito. Okay? So, it's a no. It's a no. Yeah, the Five of Wands. Gusto nito makaramdam ka ng drama eh. I don't know why. Pero ang sagot ko is a no. They won't. Yeah. Okay. Next. Sagittarius. May chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo yung person na iniisip mo, Sag? Will they reach out, Sag? The Page of Coins in reversed. Why? The Queen of Wands. Nakaka-intimidate daw yung energy mo. So, na-intimidate, nahihiya itong taong to. Okay, pero they miss you. Okay, they want communication, pero nai-intimidate sila. Yeah. Okay. Page of Coins in reversed. Yeah, they feel intimidated. Baka mamaya ma-friend zone mo. I don't know. Yeah. Or pwedeng baka i-reject mo or baka hindi mo pansinin, like that. So, try nila i-avoid yun. Okay? So, there. Next. Capricorn. So, Capricorn, will they reach out? Okay? Magre-reach out ba si person na iniisip mo sa'yo? Capricorn, may chance ba na mag-reach out siya? The Three of Cups. It's a yes. Okay? That's a yes for me. Some of you may meet-ups pa na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Yeah. Ooh, the Ace of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo may mga magbabayad. O, diba? Hanggang dito ba naman? 2 card lang ang ating kinuha. Pero yes, present ang pera. No? Sa mga Capricorn. Ay, oo. So, yeah. I think this is a yes. They will. Oo. Pwedeng may chance na mag-reach out. Pwedeng friend mo. Pwedeng someone mo. Like, meron ditong energy ng, ang tawag dyan? Pakikipagbalikan, ganyan. Okay? So, another beginning, a new start, fresh start, maybe an offer. Okay, some of you, bayad-bayad ang mga utang. Mabayaran na. No, mga ganyan. Ay, yeah, that's a yes. Okay, next. Aquarius. Okay. Aqua. Tingnan natin. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo? Sa'yo, syempre. Okay. The Ace of Wands Universe. I'm seeing here an energy of makeup sex. Aqua, a makeup sex. Okay. Yeah, and the Four of Swords in reversed. Yeah, may chance ng pag-reach out and yes, merong, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, makeup sex. Okay? So, mawawala yung boundaries ng iba sa inyo pag yan nangyari. Yes. Okay. So, there. Next. Pisces. Pisces. May chance ba na mag-reach out yung person na iniisip mo sa'yo? Okay. The Three of Swords. Some of you, you're in a separation right now. You're in a breakup. Ooh, the Two of Cups. Yeah. The Ace of Swords. Okay. Some of you, mabigat para sa taong to. Like, gusto na niyang parang maalis, no? Yung bigat na nararamdaman. Yes, by maybe communicating. Okay? So, gusto niya, yung bigat na nararamdaman niya, gusto niyang like gumaan-gaan ng kahit papano. So, may chance ng tawag dyan, communication or reaching out pagdating sa person na yan. Okay? So, there. Yes, oo. So, yeah. Basta inyo, meron ditong energy ng pwedeng malakas or strong yung relationship or strong connection. Okay? Meron sa inyong ganyan. So, mahirap nga naman talaga yon. Okay? So, there, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.